Hello everyone and welcome to the Dex Imaging Help Desk YouTube channel. Today we're going to be continuing the configuration of the Kyocera Mac driver using job accounting. So if you're using Mac Mojave version 10.14, you can only configure the job accounting codes in Chrome, Firefox, or Word. I have chosen Word, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my document, and then I'm going to select File, and then Print. And then I'm going to select Copies and Pages and select Print Panel, then Settings. Then I'm going to select Black and White first and select Job. And then I'm going to check the little box where it says Job Accounting and put in my code. Then I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to come up to Presets and select Save Current Settings as Preset. And I'm just going to name it Black and White. Then hit OK. And since this is a color copier, I'm going to create a color one. If you have a straight black and white copier, you don't need to worry about this. So I'm going to hit Settings again. And I'm going to select Color. And when you select Job, it should already be checked and your code should already be in there. But just to be on the safe side, go ahead and verify that. Then I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to select Presets and Save Current Settings as Preset. And I'm going to name this one Color. Then hit OK. And just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go ahead and hit Print, and my document should print out. This concludes the video for how to add job accounting to a Kyocera Mac print driver. As always, thank you very much for watching the Dex Imaging Help Desk YouTube channel, and please subscribe to us.